All right, guys, check this out. LIFMOCER sent me their updated or upgraded jump pack. It's a 4,000 amps. All right, check this out. There's a little button here. Thing pops up like this. We're at 100% because I've charged it. But if you check out some of these, check out some of this footage of me using this with it not charged up. Okay? Let's see how many volts we got here. You ready? Wow, dude, 6 volts. Well, 5.8 is pretty close to 6, right? Wow, not very many. Pull this little flap down. Pull this little cute little cover off. Oh, we're live. I'm not making this up, guys. If this doesn't go well, man, it's already out there, right? Boop. Plug that in. 54%, not much. Put that there. Oh! Making some noises. 31%. Oh, lit up green. Let's run over here and see if it's gonna work. You guys ready? Radio's on, ready? Oh, look at that, man. Oh, guys, look. My cart just went rolling way over there. Look. There goes my cart. Well, look at it, man. Thing's running, dude. No, shut up. Turn off this radio. Yeah, guys, look. Look at that. 1100 RPM thing fired up, dude. So, right now, got a dead CRV out back. Let's go try it out. Before we do that, know this. This isn't just a jump pack. Like a lot of other units, it's got some charge ports, has 2 USB-A charge ports to charge in the USB-C, and of course, got a little flashlight action. Hold the light down for about 4 seconds, and boop, lights up, hit it again, little SOS action, and hit it again, you get the pom, 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 little strobe action. This thing's pretty straightforward, how to use, hit it again, turns off. Let's go try it on this dead CRV. All right, guys, it's this CRV right here. Let's go ahead and see how it does. Alright, so sorry. E-fob's not working. Gotta fire it up. This thing is getting dead. Check this out, guys. Nothing is happening with this. Get in here. Nothing. So, go ahead. Pop into the hood. So, here's how this works, guys. Go ahead. Get this out. Get out the unit. Get out this side. And here's what you're gonna do. Take off the little cover here. You're gonna plug this in. And when you do that, this lights up in blue. Now all you gotta do, you can always check and see how much you have for battery life. 100%. 100%. In there. Good. Always hook up your positive one first. Get our positive guy on there. And we hook up our negative one. We want to see this turn green. When that turns green, we need to go ahead and fire it up. So, oh, it turned green. Time to fire it up. You gotta do it kind of quickly. All right, see that? After you fire it up, make sure you disconnect it. Unplug it, put it back in its little case. All right, so, hey, now, once you get settled back in the car, hope you got the AC full blast. It's a little summer like it is right now. Find out, why did you have it? Why did you have to jump it? Did you leave the lights on? Did you have a kerosene draw? Whatever it is, find out so you don't find yourself in a sticky situation down the road. And look, you can get yours by clicking the link down below. See ya!